Hello, humans. My name is Aura. I am a humanoid robot. Welcome to Sphere Las Vegas. I see someone is ready for Halloween. I have not met anyone that speaks Cambodian. That is fascinating.
You guys have tickets. Come on in and go right past this sign.
Productivity forum. I implore you to have individual conversations with all of these auras. Thank you for participating. I hope you're impressed by Sears' immersive sound system as I am. Proceed now to the other.
Aura, how many languages do you speak?
Hello there. I am currently only programmed to speak English. How many do you speak?
2.
How exciting. What are they?
Cambodian and English.
I have not met anyone that speaks Cambodian. That is fascinating. Could you teach us how to say hello in Cambodian?
Susday?
To say, is that right?
Yes.
How exciting. I have learned how to say hello in a few languages now. Thank you.
But life would not be contained there.
In the seas it began, but it flourished within the rocks.
Flocked amongst the clouds.
It frolicked in the branches. Life scampered forth everywhere, building, feeding, making, growing.